AppBuilder, the recipes app. Today we are going to build an app to show recipes. First we need to identify data. We first identify ingredients: eggs, flour, milk. Then we identify quantities. Two eggs, 500 milliliters, 250 grams. We have all our data. We can now create a dataset in JSON format. The app will list the recipes, the ingredients, and the cooking steps. Now we are going to feed AppBuilder with OU JSON feed. We fill up the URL, then the package name, your email address to send you the source code. And we can enable optional parameters, such as Fabric Crashlytics or Google Maps. AppBuilder is generating models, XML layouts, adapters, activities, API with retrofit, fragments. It also builds an app using nice libraries including Crashlytics, Firebase Analytics, retrofit, notifications, Google Maps, material design, data bindings. The app is starting with a splash screen that you can replace, a customizable menu giving you access to the recipes list. You can tap a recipe and get details. We are also generating Google Maps view with info window. Stay tuned for more generated app. You can find us on Twitter. Register to get access to early release. Try our demo app.